Kids Learning TV. To Kids Learning TV. Kids Learning TV.
Hello, kids. Today we're going to trace the big letter B and the small letter b using different colors. Are you ready? Let's have some fun with colors. Step 1. Tracing big B. First, we'll trace the big B. We're going to trace it 5 times using different colors. Start with the light pink color. Draw a straight line from top to bottom. Now, make the first curve from the top down to the middle, and then the second curve from the middle to the bottom. Great job! Now, let's try it with different colors. Use the blue color next and trace the big B again. Then pick up the red color and trace it once more. After that, use the yellow color. Wow! Look at all the colorful B's you've created. Amazing! Step 2. Tracing small b. Now, let's move on to the small b. We're going to trace it 5 times using different colors. Start with the green color and draw a straight line from top to bottom. Then, make a small curve from the middle of the line down to the bottom. Excellent work! Wow! Now, let's repeat with different colors. Trace it again with the light pink color. Next, use the blue color. Then red. And finally the yellow color. Look how amazing your colorful B's look. Green color, B. Wow! Amazing! Light pink color, B. Good job! Blue color, B. Color recognition. Do you remember the names of the colors we used? Light pink is soft and sweet, blue is like the sky, red is bright like an apple, yellow is cheerful like the sun, and green is fresh like leaves. Now you know how to trace letters and recognize colors too. Fantastic job, kids! You traced the big B and small b 5 times each in different colors. Keep practicing and remember to have fun with your colors. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.